realize I loved you too much. It's so hard for me to love someone. And what am I supposed to do when the best thing for us is away from you now? I can't do without you.